Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Garbageman by the Cramps off the Songs the Lord Taught Us record. And before we begin, remember to like this video on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. So the song is in the key of E, and in the beginning intro it's just going to go E, G, the notes on the low E string. And when you're playing this, you're going to want to play this on like an amp with a lot of reverb. They're most likely playing through a Fender twin reverb amp. And it's a pretty clean tone for the first guitar. And it's basically just that rhythm pretty much all the way through. And then after the beginning of the verse, it's going to switch to chords. And the first guitar is going to play like an E chord. Probably mostly the lower four strings. But you can hit, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can hit a lot of the strings or all the strings, which sounds cool too. And then you're going to play that G note on the E string with your pinky to the same rhythm as that notey part we just learned. And then the second guitar is going to be pretty overdriven, and it's going to basically just roll on. Going to play this E power chord, and then roll the volume on in time with the song, and then off. So you're going to hit the chord, roll the volume on and off, and then you can hear some kind of like some fingers moving, like some squeaks on the strings too, which kind of adds to it. So again, it goes. And every once in a while, they're going to play a G chord, and then back to the E. So just kind of listen to this song, and you can see what parts it switched chords. But you could actually, if you're going to just cover the song, you just play E all the way through, and I don't think anyone will notice the difference. And then it comes to the first lead, which is going to be that overdriven guitar again. And it's basically, I would imagine it was probably ad-libbed. It's basically in the E minor blues scale, which I'll have in the tab for you. But you're just going to kind of walk up and down the scale randomly, and you can just kind of get a feel for it. But it starts on the 12th fret. And you're going to basically bend those notes out of key to get that kind of sound. And there's going to be a ton of reverb on this guitar too, and there's going to probably be some type of delay effect on it. I don't have those, but you can get a pretty close sound just with turning the reverb up on your amp and getting it really overdriven. So again, it's something like this. And you can kind of pick up on that last part. It sounds like he picks up the higher, like it does a couple two-note strings, like on the 14th fret of the G and B strings. And then the lead at the very end of the song, we're going to switch back to the first guitar, Poison Ivy's guitar, and it's going to be a little bit more of a cleaner tone. And you're going to play these double notes, just like into the same rhythm that you played on the lower E and string with the E and G. You're going to play it with the E. And then you're going to bridge your finger on the 3rd fret across the B and A strings. So you're going to go. And then this is the first time in the song that it changes key. So you're going to jump up to the 5th fret. Same thing, bridge your finger on the B and E strings. And it's going to go. And then you're going to do this descending pattern that's in the E minor pentatonic. And you're going to go. So all the way through it goes. Then it goes back to the... And then you're going to play a B chord. And then an E chord. So one more time, B. And then that last part is on the A string on the 2nd fret. And then open E. So again. Then it goes back into the... And then right about that part, it goes into that last lead, which goes... And that's the whole lead, again. One more time. And then it goes back into that main part again throughout. So this song gives you a good idea of like the Cramps music. It's very kind of surfy and like rockabilly or psychobilly. Lots of reverb. It's pretty much an open E the whole time, so it makes it easy to kind of do those leads over. And it has those really cool like descending patterns that you'll hear in a lot of songs. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember to like it on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And the tab for this lesson will be up in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.